Now we look at verbs. Verbs are words expressing state of being, action, or possession. Example: A. Verbs expressing state of being: am, is, was, are, and were. These are the verbs we use to express state of being. We call them be verbs. Verbs in sentences. I am happy. Iceland is one of the happiest countries in the world because every citizen enjoys equal freedom. Pondicherry was the largest French colony in India. Children are always happy because they love everybody. Until 1776, United States of America was not a country. The individual states of America were colonies of the British Empire. B. Verbs expressing action. We call them do verbs. Accept, understand, play, were. You can have more examples. Now, verbs in sentences. We accept, understand, and love everybody, and so we live every moment happily. Farmers often work very long hours. Who plays for India? Please write your own name here. C. Verbs expressing possession: have, has, and had. Example: we have a beautiful house in our village. Talia has many friends. In 2017, our party had 1 million members. Do you have a job? Another activity to make sure you understand what you are listening to. Some verbs are missing in the dialogue. Please complete the dialogue using the missing verbs and enjoy reading them with a partner. Next one, adverbs. An adverb modifies the meaning of a verb. An adverb adds more meaning to the verb. An adverb tells us how, when, where, why, how often, or in what manner an action takes place. Adverbs can also modify adjectives and other adverbs. Example: our teachers speak kindly to the children. Please repair the washing machine as quickly as possible. Your birthday card arrived 3 days late. This shirt is just my size. I generally go walking in the morning. Sometimes I walk in the evening. My brother has a very unusual name. Many engineers find it difficult to find a job. My mom replied to my letters very quickly. Now another activity. Identify the adverbs in the following sentences and write what they express. Number 6. Preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show place, position, time, or method. Example: shall we meet at the clubhouse at 6 o'clock? Look, there's a cat under your table. Where's my credit card? It's in the drawer. On behalf of the management, teachers and students, I thank all our guests. Another activity: reproduce Miss Oshin's daily schedule and read out to your friends. Are you in the habit of planning your day and working the plan? I hope so. Please reproduce the text below, filling in the gaps using appropriate prepositions. Meet after a break.